Beko Dishwasher Error E01, what it means and how to fix it. So this error usually means the machine has detected a water leak or overflow inside, triggering a safety shutdown to prevent damage. And this usually happens when water collects in the base tray due to a loose hose, worn seal, or internal leak. So the first thing you can go ahead and try is to turn off and unplug the dishwasher. Stop the dishwasher immediately and disconnect power for safety. Then you drain and dry the base. So tilt the dishwasher slightly to let trapped water out. If you are able to do that, make sure the trays are out and you aren't able to see any more water inside the dishwasher itself. And then you can try leaving it to dry for a few hours. Then you can check for the costs. You can inspect hoses or the door seal and maybe detergent used, which is supposed to be avoiding overfilling. Restart and see if the error returns. And if it does, it likely needs a technician since there may be an internal leak or faulty parts. But once you've gone through these steps, most minor E01 issues should clear up if they were caused by temporary leaks or moisture buildup. However, if the problem keeps returning, it's a sign of a deeper issue that shouldn't be ignored, and it's better to get it checked by an actual technician and preferably early on. So those are a few options you can try if you are having this error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.